Logitech G, we're committed to advancing play through a brilliant innovation of design and technology. One of the ways that we do that is by taking previous designs and advancing on them to bring new features that are requested by the community. The G513 takes the award-winning design of the G413 keyboard, which means it has a super sleek aluminum top case in both black carbon and silver. But now we've added RGB lighting, multiple mechanical gaming switch options, and a super high-quality memory foam palm rest. The included memory foam palm rest is sweat resistant and waterproof, which makes it super easy to clean. Our special memory foam quickly recovers from pressure, so every use is as comfortable as the first. The G513 also comes with additional replaceable faceted keycaps for the most popular gaming keys. One of the most requested features with our keyboards is multiple switch types. Today we're really excited to introduce a new type of Romer G switch with our linear Romer G. The original Romer G switch has a tactile bump, whereas the new Romer Linear is completely smooth from start to finish of the actuation. The G513 supports full per-key RGB lighting customization. And with the power of LightSync technology, you can get amazing dynamic lighting experiences. Use Logitech gaming software to create and customize amazing effects or select from a list of presets. Lighting control is right at your fingertips. Using the built-in key commands, you can easily cycle through presets as well as control brightness. Right next to the lighting control keys are the media control keys, allowing easy access to your content. The G513 is a very high-performance keyboard from Logitech G, with a beautiful design, advanced technologies, and serious gaming features.
There are some things worth investing in. Things that are made with care, quality, and craftsmanship. Introducing DOS Keyboard 4, the leader in mechanical keyboards for people who expect the best. DOS Keyboard 4 feels unlike anything you used before. Its end key rollover affords precision, while its tactile feedback helps you type both faster and more accurately. Built to include revolutionary new features, such as the latest USB 3 connection ports, oversized volume knob, and dedicated media controls, all designed to deliver an experience unlike any other. Every corner contains hours of dedication, work, and thought, as well as a few surprises. DOS Keyboard 4 is the next generation of our award-winning DOS keyboard line. It's the perfect blend of technology and art.
The Strafe RGB mechanical keyboard has always been a fan favorite. And now, with the Strafe RGB Mark II, we've added a ton of features that you guys have been asking for. Strafe RGB Mark II comes with either Cherry MX Red or Cherry MX Silent key switches. Cherry is the gold standard when it comes to mechanical switches, and this helps give Strafe RGB Mark II a competitive advantage. Each Cherry switch is made in Germany with precision engineering. With extremely responsive actuation zones, Cherry MX delivers flawless key presses with a lifespan of up to 50 million actuations. The Reds offer smooth and linear actuations, while the silent switches dampen noises by up to 30%. The silent switches are perfect for those of you who stream, have roommates, or work in an office and want to avoid the audible click of traditional Cherry MX switches. IQ software enables even greater functionality. You have virtually unlimited RGB control and access to beautiful lighting presets. You can sync your Strafe RGB Mark II with all other compatible IQ RGB devices, and you can reassign any key or set up complex macros that are great for gaming or productivity. Strafe RGB Mark II also features onboard profile storage. That means you can take your custom lighting profiles and macros with you wherever you go. The easy access multimedia controls and brand new volume scroll wheel allow you to make on-the-fly audio adjustments without interrupting your game. On top of the keyboard is a built-in USB pass-through port, which is perfect for your mouse, phone, or any other USB device you have lying around. And with Strafe RGB Mark II's 100% anti-ghosting and 104 key rollover technology, it ensures no matter how fast you play, all of your key presses will register. The Strafe RGB Mark II has loads of new features, looks amazing, and is built to perform. To find out more information, head on over to corsair.com.